Do you see? This is the Adriatic Sea. The quality of the water in the Adriatic Sea is extremely heterogeneous. The vitality and composition of its microbial community are in danger. The continued abundance of species is at risk. So what can we do? What can AdSwim do? AdSwim partners are University of Udine, Department of Agricultural, Food, Environmental and Animal Sciences, University of Split, Faculty of Civil Engineering, Architecture and Geodesy, Polytechnic University of Marche, Municipality of Udine, Municipality of Pescara, Split Water and Sewerage Company, CAFC, National Institute of Oceanography and Experimental Geophysics, Institute of Crystallography, National Research Council, Izvor Ploče, Public Institution for Public Utilities, Research Centre for Materials of Region of Istria, Institute of Public Health Zadar. The AdSwim project deals with the UWW and DP2. With the what? UWW stands for Urban Wastewater, and DP stands for Depuration Plant. A DP is a sort of filter. A DP collects, screens, filtrates and disinfects the water so that you can have clean water for drinking, household use, agriculture and industry. The problem is seawater is changing. Pollution and climate change are known to be affecting water temperature, acidification and chemistry. We think this filter can also be used for the controlled supply of nutrients. New treatments, new analytical devices and new chemical and microbiological parameters to improve the environmental quality conditions of sea and coastal area. AdSwim has real objectives. AdSwim has specific objectives. Sustainable and balanced cross-border territorial development, improvement of the environmental conditions of the sea and the coastal areas, implementation of integrated wastewater management and shared regulations. Good, what can we do? What can I do? Water is a precious resource and we must all play our part. While AdSwim is working hard with UWW and DPs, there are 3 things each of us can do. Number 1, don't pollute. Use water wisely and choose soaps and detergents with the lowest environmental impact. Don't throw paint, oil, medicines or plastic down your toilet. Number 2, recycle. Check local programs and sort your waste into different types. Take special waste to your local waste collection centre. Avoid using unnecessary single-use plastic products. Number 3, reuse. Glass containers are the best choice. Switch to reusable bags and wraps. Get a reusable water bottle. Number 1, don't pollute. Number 2, recycle. Number 3, reuse. AdSwim and you. 1. Everybody. The Adriatic Sea is one. Its care belongs to everybody.